yesterday right here. I was like, hey guys, they want to shake the tree a little bit, which they do on Fed days. They got to break 659.21 to see the 8th day, and guess what? They broke it. You could have got out of everything and been done, or you could have been aware of the possibilities of what goes on. You could have covered some shorts. You could have got rid of your puts. You could have added to some positions. And now here we are with the SPYs up $5. Wow. Just like that. 664.20. Pretty impressive. There are a lot of people out there who said they were going to sell August, and they didn't. They said they were going to sell September, and they didn't. Then they said they were going to sell the event, and they didn't. You can have like thoughts and multiple plans, but you can't have opinions. This isn't going to end well. It's not a trading strategy. I've went over that 1,000 times. Having a trading strategy is actually having a plan. By the way, I gave you this level yesterday, and on the Qs, my goodness gracious, almost to the penny. I'm like, they could shake the tree a little bit here on the Qs. Look at this little air pocket. All you got to do is get below the prior low. And what did it hold? The 8th day. What a coinky ding. I said yesterday to you guys were, oh my God, Tesla's down $4. Redler, what are you going to do? I'm like, you're going to use your tier system. You're gonna map out levels, and we mapped out what? In my head, I think we mapped out 411. It went below 411, reclaimed it. That was a trade. And then when the SPYs and the Q sold off, it made higher lows, and it was the first one to lead the market up. So Tesla played by every rule in the book. That's why I said when Tesla's good, it's great. And when it's bad, it kind of sucks because you're waiting for it to get great. Well, this was fantastic. Yesterday, it went below 411, reclaimed it, took out 425. And right now, Tesla is up $7 near 432 to trim and trail. Those who follow along already know. So it's not like I'm coming in with 1,000 things, but not a bad start to the day. What I do when a gap is in my favor, I always trim some, and then I see what's happening. So they've already seen I've already trimmed a little Tesla. I'm not saying we're going to sell the open and go red. I trim some. I trim a third. That's called a tier system, my dogs. With that in gear, look at this nice bull flag. Some people like, where do I think it can go? I think if this 439 area would be realistic. I don't know if it gets there today, but it might. We're at 432.55. I trim some. I'll trim a little bit more. I put on some options for this week and next week. I might create call spreads because some straight calls and just continue to move forward. So that's Tesla. Fantastic. Sign up for the Alpha Team Open House for free by scanning this QR code or clicking on the link in the description.